comment, subscribe. It'll make me happy. We started out the day fishing one of the coves on the lower end of the lake, looking for bass that may have been starting to push into feed. And as you'll see, we did have a quick start to the day. Well, I may have one. Yep, I got one. Little one. I think it's a largemouth.
Yeah, I saw 2 fish out there. That's a pretty decent one.
Yeah, not bad.
I saw some fish flashing out there. I figured they would be over on that deeper side.
Here we go, first bass. Little largemouth on the red-eye shad. Pearl red-eye shad. Yeah, I was looking at that, I don't know, I guess that's a stump or a tree or something sticking out of where I was like, oh, there's got to be something on that one. Ugh. I think this is a cove where they push all the log debris into, isn't it?
It is,
yeah, we've come in here before, and that thing's been pulled across here, and there's just like logs everywhere.
The wind pushes most of it down here by the dam, and then
Yeah.
drag it in here to get around the lake.
I always thought it was like the storms or whatever, like, you know, when they get like 2 inches of rain, the shit just comes.
That lay down that's right and straight back.
Uh-huh.
It's been dragged in here. That wasn't.
Uh-oh, you're hitting something. After thoroughly covering the cove, we moved out and up the lake a bit, searching for another good spot. By this point, the wind had begun to pick up, with an approaching front coming in from the west. Pretty much decided we needed to stay along the western shoreline to try to stay out of the brunt of the wind. Oh, I got one. Yeah, like right at the boat. Oh man, he's a jumper. Nah. Little smallmouth. Woo!
Oh shit, there he goes. Come back here.
Stay.
Yeah,
You got him?
maybe.
Maybe.
Alright, stop flipping, dude. Ow.
Yeah, he'll get you.
God dang. Yeah, he was... There we go, nice little flipping smallmouth. He would, yeah, I mean, he was jumping and flipping as soon as I hooked him. Little guy. Put him back in. Bass number 2. Oh my God, that water is warm. You're right. Jeez. That was on the Chartreuse DT10. We're in 13. But there is like a bar up there where that guy's standing, so I don't... Pretty sure he hit it in somewhat deeper water because it was pretty, like I said, it was pretty close to the boat, so... Oh, I got one. Another jumper.
They're not in here, they're out there.
There we go, another smallie on, this time on the chatterbait. Not bad. Chartreuse and white chatterbait. In the grass. Kinda in the grass. Bit of fish. Alright, come on, Chris, we gotta get you another bass. Ugh. Yeah, I figured it was like so shallow in here. Maybe out there they might be in the sparse.
They probably moved out of the grass now.
Yeah, because it's lower, they probably adjust. That's what I was trying to do back there.
Oh, that's bottom. That's not good.
But the chatterbait's good because you can rip it through the grass if it gets a clump of it. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice one. Chris with his second bass of the day. Oh, that's a nice one. We're gonna weigh him. I guess you don't have a net.
I do. It's in the
Oh, okay, never mind. I was gonna say I'd try to net him for you, but
Yeah, he's a good one.
holy shit. It's a nice one. Let me get...
No. Lost my drag on it and got it off.
Yeah, whatever you do, don't lose them.
Got it.
Oh, that's a nice smallie.
They caught. Get in the boat.
There you go. Holy shit, look at that smallie. That's the biggest smallie I've ever seen.
The biggest I've ever caught.
Damn, that's a nice one. Hold that sucker up.
They've been caught before too.
Yeah. Damn, nice one. You want to give me your phone? I'll get a picture for you.
Cool.
Mine's all packed away. Ugh. Let me, nice. Nice. All right, let's get a weight on him. Is it moving?
No, it's not even moving.
Turn off, turn it back on. Just leave him hooked onto it. It's got some wacky features. It's got like tear and stuff like that, and like it tries to add them, like you can save 5 fish.
Hold it, turn it on. I wasn't wrong. 3.6.
3 pounds, 6 ounces?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Well, you got the biggest fish of the day so far.
That's a fun one.
Yeah, it's a nice one. On the chatterbait. Threw it right in that grass, huh?
Right at the edge.
Yeah,
Right where those, where I saw those fish jumping.
right, yeah.
It was right where I threw it and he hit it.
Did you see him come up and hit it?
No, it hit it, underwater he hit it.
Yeah. I feel like it was like right in here somewhere, wasn't it? Yeah, it could be rain up there. Looks
Yeah. Oh, that's 100% rain.
foggy and misty.
You need to go, bro.
Okay.
That's 100% rain.
I mean, I don't think it's thunder, but you're
I
probably...
don't think it's thunder either, but I might get drenched either.
All right.
So as you can see, we hightailed it down the lake back to the ramp, trying to outrun the rain that was approaching from the north and west. It was pretty cool to see the rain progressing down the lake and creeping up on us as we jetted along. The rain finally did catch up to us as we were taking the boat out and securing everything.